objective of this video is to rectify safety and sustainability in the milling workshop. The second one is to rectify technical and safety issue in the milling workshop. And the third one, to propose solution based on industry standard. And the last one is to promote a safe and sustainable workshop environment.
Identification of technical, safety and sustainability issues in the milling workshop. Let's look at the technical issue. Some common problems are poor machine maintenance, worn out cutting tools and improper machine calibration. When the machine is not properly maintained or calibrated, it cannot cut the workpiece accurately. As a result, the finished product may have poor surface quality, incorrect dimensions and the machining process become less efficient. Next are the safety hazards. During milling operation, there is a risk of flying metal chips, injuries from rotating cutters, and slipping because of coolant spills. This hazard can cause accident if students and staff do not wear the correct personal protective equipment or follow safety procedure. This may lead to injuries, damage to the machine, and delay in completing the work. Lastly, let's discuss the sustainability problem. Common issues include excessive use of metal materials, wasting coolant, and leaving machine running when they are not being used. This practice increases energy consumption and operating costs, while also creating more waste that can harm the environment.
So now we have identified the technical, safety, the sustainability challenges in milling workshop. Let us talk on how to actually fix them. We weren't just guessing on how to fix them. We actually follow directly the Malaysian legislation and international engineering standard to ensure a professional and compliant environment. So for our first solution, it's actually target the roots of our technical issue, which is for maintenance and machine vibration. So we actually propose a strict schedule maintenance routine. This actually aligns directly with the Factories and Machinery Act of 1967, which said that all workshop machinery must keep in a safety working condition by regularly inspecting the component, calibrating the axis, and replacing the dual cutting tools. So next, to tackle immediate safety hazard like tying metal chips and sharp edges, we need a strict zero tolerance PPE enforcement, which is personal protective equipment. So, this is actually backed by OSA 1994 and MEM161, which is the Malaysian standard for occupational safety and health management system. So, under these standards, it's a legal duty to provide and enforce protective equipment. But these tools and gears are only effective if the people actually knows how to use them. So that's why our third solution is structure safety training. So according to OSA 1994 employers and educational institutions must provide adequate information and instructions. So, we propose that they must do a 10-minute safety briefing at the start of every practical session, alongside with a mechanical operation assessment before any student allowed to run a milling machine independently. So, moving on to our sustainability goals, we need to address material coolant waste. So, we propose a formal waste management and recycling system aligned with the ISO 14001, the international standard for environmental management. So, instead of letting the metal chip mixed with general trash, we implement dedicate label bins significantly for aluminium and steel scraps to send for recycling. So finally, we look at the energy consumption. To stop electricity wastage from idle machine, we are again looking at the ISO 14001 framework to optimize our resource use. So our solution is very simple: lights off, power down. So students and technicians will be required to completely power down milling machines, digital readout and localized lighting as soon as the job ends. This reduces unnecessary energy consumption, lower operating costs, and extend the lifespan of the machine electronic components.
Now, we will discuss about cost, safety, and the environment. Let's go. Firstly, we need to improve our safety by buying the PPE and also maintain the machine regularly. Even though it costs more money, but it helps us to prevent mistakes, injuries, and keeps everyone safe.
2, 3.
Second, we need to recycle the waste and also separate the metal scrap. Even though it will take more time and the work becomes slower, but it helps us to reduce waste and also save the environment. Lastly, turn off the fan, light, and also the machine when they are not being used. Even though it will slightly slower the work, but it still helps us to reduce waste and also save the electricity. That's it. In conclusion, safety is very important to prevent mistakes and also injuries during the workshop. And yes, that's all from us. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Bye.
Kalau batuk berdahak, minum langsung di tempat, gak perlu